How to log into your TSB bank credit card online account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to tsb.co.uk. On this web page, click on the register option to create a new account. Now click on the login option once you have created your account. Here you want to enter your user ID. If you want to remember your user ID, you want to check the box that says Remember My User ID. Only check this box if you are using a personal computer. In case you have forgotten your user ID, click on the option of Recover User ID. Click on the second link in case you have forgotten your password. Now click on the Continue option. After that, you will have to enter your password and then you will be logged into your account. After logging in, you should be directed to your online banking dashboard. Look for an option to access your credit card account. Click on the option of credit card. This will allow you to view your credit card balance, transaction statements, and other account details. Over there, you are also able to apply for any credit card if you want. You can simply compare the features of different credit cards and then click on the option of Apply Now. You will have to fill up a form, then click on the submit button. If your application is approved, you will be receiving your credit card in the mail. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.